39% of heterosexual couples and about 65% of same-sex couples who met in 2017 did so on the internet.
Dating apps seem to give you a lot more control over who you want to see.
In today's time, it is very easy to find a date. I mean, you just have to swipe. I wish my office work would be that easy. But you know what? In today's world, neither my office work is easy and online dating तो सही में बहुत मुश्किल है. If you don't know, the size of this online dating industry was $7.7 billion in 2020 and it is expected to grow to 11 billion in 2028. And as you might know, there are million-dollar businesses running in this industry like Tinder, Bumble, and they all need one thing to run, which is money. So now if we use our common sense, every person uses dating apps to find a date very easily. But if you are able to do that, so the chances are very less that you are going to pay these companies for their additional services. And this gives rise to a fundamentally dumb question. Should we really trust these dating apps? I'm gonna talk about it and you are watching a talking intellectual dumb. Hello all the cool dudes and the college queens out there. Welcome and fuck off. This video is not for you. This video is for all the normal looking boys and girls like me who are like constantly being ignored on these apps. Yes, we are.
साला ये दुख का खत्म नहीं होता बे.
लेकिन we the people of single, broken, normal looking association can let you stay. But on one condition. Start swiping us right. You know what? Your one swipe can give us so much confidence that some of us can even publicly admit that KGF sucks. I mean, some of us, not everyone. I mean, I love KGF. Rocky Bhai is my favorite superhero. I think next time Avengers should join Rocky Bhai. Yeah, so we were talking about dating apps. These online dating apps look so easy and tempting to use. I mean, and obviously they should be. You know how hard it is to hit on a person when you are on LinkedIn. But in this online dating space, we have something for everyone. I mean, if you are single, you have Tinder, Bumble. If you are from LGBTQ, you have so many options. अगर तुम्हें गैस की प्रॉब्लम भी है ना, तो उसके लिए भी डेटिंग ऐप है.
Are you kidding me?
No, seriously. Love is truly in the air. You just have to smell it. But if you look deeply, the things are not as beautiful as they seem. So there are many problems with these dating apps. And we will go there one by one. So the first problem is paradox of choice. Paradox of choice suggests that an abundance of options actually requires more effort to choose and can leave us feeling unsatisfied with our own choices. Okay, आसान भाषा में समझाता हूँ. Let's take an example. Imagine राखी का चल रहा है स्वयंवर. I know. Imagining राखी का स्वयंवर, it's like killing some of your brain cells, but believe me, it will be worth it. So imagine राखी का स्वयंवर चल रहा है. स्वयंवर के नियम अनुसार राखी को एक बारी में एक ही दूल्हे राजा दिखाए जाएंगे. सो लेट्स इमेजिन राखी ने 20 दूल्हे देखे एंड राखी को पसंद आ गया माइक टाइसन.
अरे हमरा माइक टाइसन वहाँ आवत है.
यस, इट्स एन इंटरनेशनल सिंबल, सो व्हाट. एंड सी, टाइसन इज अ नाइस गाय एंड नोबडी इज परफेक्ट. आई मीन इवन विल स्मिथ. तो टाइसन के थोड़े बहुत फ्लॉज देखे राखी विल बी मोर इंक्लाइंड टू ब्रेक अप इंस्टेड ऑफ ट्राइंग टू मेक थिंग्स वर्क आउट. बिकॉज अभी राखी ने अपने 80 ऑप्शंस देखे भी नहीं है, अभी सिर्फ 20 दूल्हे देखे हैं. क्या पता बाकी बचे हुए 80 में उससे अपना आइडियल पार्टनर कोई विल स्मिथ ही मिल जाता. एंड राखी फिर से निकल पड़ेगी अपनी विल स्मिथ की खोज में. एंड इन द सिमिलर वे वी विल गेट नेवर सेटिस्फाइड विद आवर ओन चॉइसेस एंड दिस प्रोसेस गोज. यही नहीं, अभी और भी प्रॉब्लम्स हैं.
अभी तो हमें और जलील होना है.
द नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम इज फेकिज्म. अब नाम पढ़ के तो आप लोग समझ ही गए होंगे. इफ यू आर डेटिंग समवन स्पेशली ऑनलाइन, तो चांसेस आर लाइक दैट पर्सन इज अ लायर. ये मैं नहीं कह रहा हूँ, रिसर्च कह रही है. अकॉर्डिंग टू अ रिसर्च 81% ऑफ द पीपल लाई ऑन देयर डेटिंग प्रोफाइल. और चूतिया काटने के लिए सीटीसी काम है क्या? जो लोग तुम लोग यार अब डेटिंग प्रोफाइल पे भी झूठ बोले जा रहे हो.
मेरे साथ अन्याय हुआ है.
सो द नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम ऑन द लिस्ट इज प्राइवेसी पैराडॉक्स. Privacy paradox is the discrepancy between an individual's intention to protect their privacy and how they actually behave in online marketplace. In other words, we all are hypocrite people. एक साइड हम कहते हैं like yes we respect our privacy. Oh mom, please don't look at my phone. I need my own privacy. And on the other hand, किसी भी ऐप को अपनी पूरी डिवाइस का स्टोरेज एक्सेस दे देते हैं just to use some stupid filters or just to use that app once in a while.
यही नहीं, अभी और सुनिए.
And this is the behavior which these dating apps are exploiting. They know so much about you. Like if you are linking your Instagram account, your Facebook account, they know your posts, what kind of post you do. Then if you are linking your Spotify into these accounts. They know your listening preferences. They know about your personal questions like do you smoke, do you don't smoke. You put all your information down there. And just because of this, these dating apps know your intimate secrets. They know what times you feel most desperate. They can even tell like whether you can commit long term or not. Some of these apps have also calculated your desirability score. I mean, यार रिपोर्ट कार्ड में नंबर्स कम है क्या जो तुम्हें अपने चेहरे पे भी नंबर चाहिए? और ये सब मैं खुद से नहीं कह रहा हूँ, ये सब फ्रेंच जर्नलिस्ट जूडिथ जी कह रही हैं। तो ये जो फ्रेंच जर्नलिस्ट जूडिथ है, इन्होंने टिंडर को रीच आउट किया एंड शी आस्क्ड कि शी वांट टू नो कि टिंडर के पास उनसे रिलेटेड क्या क्या डेटा है। इनिशियली टिंडर ने मना कर दिया, बट इवेंचुअली Tinder gave her full data, and you won't believe it was 800 pages long, and it was including all the intimate secrets, which even Judith was surprised how these people know this about me. And as these companies have so much data about you, they use these different data points to hook you to these apps before you even realizing it. Now we are going to talk about our last issue, which is like one of the most important issue, mental health. Ab chances are most of the people who are watching this video never got a meaningful match on these dating apps. I'm talking about majority here. But this is not even your fault, because in this dating app market, there is only demand for Tom Cruise and Katrina. यहाँ पे तन्मय और कविता को कोई राइट स्वैप नहीं करेगा. And again, मैं नहीं बोल रहा हूँ, ये रिसर्च बोल रही है. According to a research, most people end up getting disliked or being ignored on these dating apps. And this contribute to their feeling of anxiety and depression. Just imagine, you were feeling lonely, you were depressed, you go on a dating app to find a person to talk to get a meaningful relationship, and you end up being more depressed and you back to stage 0 or even stage -1, and then you again go to these apps to find a solution. So it's like a vicious loop, and this clearly shows that on these dating apps you are majorly judged by your looks. But in the end, I'm not saying that you should totally ignore these dating apps, because in dating apps में काफ़ी चीज़ें सही भी करेंगी, like you can meet person with a similar interest or something. But what I'm saying is you should not rely 100% on these dating apps, because there is a conflict of interest. Like you want to find a person, but on the other hand, the dating apps want you to stay on these apps as long as possible so that you end up paying for their services on a regular basis. So we talk about some of the issues regarding dating apps, but अगर तुम लोग ये वीडियो यहाँ तक देख रहे हो, so it means you are very serious about dating, and I will give you some very awesome tips. Tip number 1. If a person is looking more beautiful than their profile, do not get impressed. It's time to verify. Throw a glass of water on their face. Wear gym clothes on your first date, because if another person tries to throw water on you, you can just play it off. Oh, it's sweat. I work out a lot. At the end of the first date, there is always a tension, like whether you will meet on a second date or not. So there is a very simple way to verify it. Just throw a glass of water on the other person's face, and now you know, you will never. So yeah, that was it for this video. I hope you like it, and if you don't, please let me know what you didn't like, and I will try to improve that part. And one more thing, let's make this relationship official. Press the subscribe button, थोड़ा प्यार बरसाओ उस पे. Alright, see you in the next one.